Hey everyone, this is Kristen from Printable Cuttable Creatables. In today's video, I'm going to show how to assemble the Santa face money holder. This project is pretty quick and easy to cut and put together, and it's a great way to dress up cash gifts for the holidays. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got all of my pieces cut and laid out here, so the first thing I'm going to do is start with the beard piece. And I'm just going to fold up these flaps so they stand upright like this. And these are the slots where the money will go. Then we can start gluing our pieces together. So I'll begin with the hat and apply some glue to the back. And then I'll just align the hat with the base piece and stick it down. Next, we can take Santa's beard piece and apply glue to the back. Be careful not to apply glue on those folded up flaps. Then you can line that up with the base piece and glue it down. Now we can move on to the details. I'll start with the eyes. So I'll add a dab of glue to the back and glue these down. I really find it helpful to use tweezers for these tiny little pieces. It helps keep glue off of my fingers and it helps put them right where they need to go. And now for the rest of these pieces, I think it's fun to use foam tape, which adds a bit of dimension, but you can totally continue using regular glue as well. I'll start with the hat trim. Here I've already applied the foam tape, so I'll just peel off the backing, then stick it down in place. And next I'll add foam tape to an eyebrow piece and stick it down in place. Then the other eyebrow. And then the mustache. You can see already how the foam tape just adds a little dimension that makes these details pop. And finally, we can add the pom-pom for his hat. And just stick it down in place. And that's it. Now all we need to do is add our money gift. So just take your money and roll it up like so. I prefer to roll a little more tightly, which makes it easier to slide it through the holes in our money holder. Once you have it rolled, you can just slide it carefully into the slots of the money holder. And then once it's in, you can just let it loosen up and it'll expand to fit snugly in the slots. And now we have our finished Santa face money holder. If you want, you could punch a hole at the top and add some ribbon to hang it from the tree, but I love just tucking them right into the stocking as a fun stocking stuffer. I hope you found this video helpful to add a handmade touch to your cash gifts for the holidays.